Vybz Kartel is about to make history, generating more money for Jamaica's economy in one night than anyone else has ever done. The Freedom Street concert is more than just a comeback. It's a cultural and economic revolution. This New Year's Eve, Kingston will become the epicenter of economic activity thanks to one man, Vybz Kartel. With over 35,000 fans expected to attend Vybz Kartel's highly anticipated Freedom Street concert at the National Stadium, the event is shaping up to be more than just a musical spectacle. It's a major economic driver for Jamaica. Tickets for the concert range from $150 for bleacher seats to $12,500 for VIP cycle track pods. Here's a breakdown. Bleacher bench seats are $150, the most affordable option. Grandstand seats are $400, offering a direct view of the stage. North and South infield standing tickets are $500 each, putting fans closer to the action. Center stage tickets cost $2,000 with a close-up view and mixed drinks included. And for the ultimate luxury, cycle track pods cost $12,500 for a group of 8, including parking and a bottle package. With this pricing structure, ticket sales alone are projected to generate over $25 million, $3.8 billion Jamaican dollars. Hotels in Kingston are already fully booked, with tourists traveling from across Jamaica and abroad. The hospitality sector is expected to rake in over $375 million Jamaican dollars from accommodations, while visitors will spend another $262 million Jamaican dollars on food, drinks, and local attractions. Concertgoers will also be snapping up merchandise, from branded t-shirts to souvenirs, contributing an estimated $800,000, $122.5 million Jamaican dollars. Street vendors and small businesses around the venue will also benefit, seeing a huge uptick in sales. Transportation providers, from taxis to chartered buses, are cashing in too. Fans are expected to spend over $900,000, $140 million Jamaican dollars, on transportation, further fueling the local economy. The concert is creating over 1,000 temporary jobs, with local workers earning a collective $100,000, $15 million Jamaican dollars. Additionally, the government will collect $3.75 million, $575 million Jamaican dollars, in taxes from ticket sales, merchandise, and business activities, money that can be reinvested into public services. When all is said and done, Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street concert is expected to inject nearly $30 million for $0.5 billion Jamaican dollars into Jamaica's economy. Beyond the music, this event is a testament to the power of culture and entertainment as an economic engine. So, whether you're a diehard fan or someone proud of Jamaica's global influence, one thing is clear. Vybz Kartel isn't just a dancehall legend, he's an economic powerhouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.